Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your keyboard model and OS version so you know which controls are available. Once done, quit any background apps that might capture keys, like text expanders or gaming overlays. Next, open your System Keyboard Shortcuts panel. On Windows U settings, right arrow keyboard, right arrow advanced keyboard settings. On Mac OS U System Preferences, right arrow keyboard, right arrow shortcuts. This gets you directly to the mapping area, where you can see what triggers the unwanted opening behavior and take the first action. Now identify the exact binding responsible for launching the keyboard or app. Use the panel's search or press the keys to highlight the rule, then choose Remap or Delete. If remapping, pick an unused key combination. Avoid common modifiers like Control, Alt, or CMD alone to prevent new conflicts. Make sure to export or back up the current shortcut profile before saving so you can revert. Once remapped, apply the change. Then immediately test the new behavior to confirm the opening action no longer occurs. Finish by testing the change across the apps you commonly use and then reboot to ensure persistence. If the shortcut persists, inspect startup apps and background utilities that may re-register keys and update keyboard drivers or firmware. As a final step, try the system in safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If the issue disappears, pinpoint the offending app. One key troubleshooting tip: restore your backup profile, then reapply changes one at a time so you can identify the exact change that fixes or breaks the behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.